Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can biolize your hair for under $7. Super easy, you can do it at home. If I can do this, you can do this. Trust me. So first thing first, the thing that I use is the Revlon Frost and Glow. I use it in the color Honey. This is my natural hair color here. It's like a lighter brown, and so the honey really just pairs well with it. It gives it kind of that sun-kissed look, and it's super easy to do. So that's what I use here. So let's get started. First thing first, I'm gonna show you what was inside. You get the shampoo and conditioner. This is like a one-time use. I use it just because I think it adds a lot of moisture to my hair, especially since I'm bleaching it, so that's what I use here. Then you get the cream developer and the little powder, the highlighting powder. You mix these two together in this container with this little stirring stick. Obviously, a little pair of gloves. The gloves are stuck inside the instructions, so you have to make sure you pull those off because these are really important. Here are the instructions. You get a little cap because I think this is meant to hook through, but we don't use this. Don't use the hook. Don't even use the instructions. I'm gonna add my powder. Tear the bag. Dump it in the container. Make sure you guys can see this. So this is what it looks like. It's a light blue powder. Dump it in there. Next, you're gonna add your powder, or excuse me, your cream. And we're just gonna pour it, just like that, till all of it's empty. And then we're gonna take our little stirring stick and just mix, mix, mix. We got Andrew next to me. He's watching. He's like, what are you doing? For those of you who don't know, Andrew's our little jackapoo. He is just one little lovable puppy. So he's watching me down here. Hi, baby. Okay, so a couple more things before we start adding the bleach in our hair. One is just to make sure that your hair doesn't have any tangles. I washed my hair this morning, and so I'm gonna brush it out. Make sure that there aren't any knots or anything like that. Then you're gonna wanna use a clip. This is so user-friendly when you're needing to section your hair off when you're adding your bleach. And then lastly, an old towel. I sometimes put a towel on, sometimes I don't, just depending if I don't want it on my skin. Definitely keep it though in case you need it. Just gonna add your gloves. Section the hair off. You're gonna divide your hair into two sections, bring it forward. Then what you're gonna do is dip your finger in the solution, start with the ends, completely soak the ends of the hair with the bleach, and then you're gonna just slide up. And then work on the next strand. The key is to not do big chunks. Do smaller strands. Start with the edge, really soak it, and then slide up. That's gonna really give you that biolage look and really fade it into your hair. And you're gonna continue with the entire bottom half of your hair. Okay, so I'm just about done with this section. I don't do every single strand because you want more of that kiss look. I'll show you what I do. So when I get down to the bottom here, I take my hair, the entire half, and I soak the edges. Because I do want all my hair to be light at the ends. I just kind of slide it up. So that half is done. Now I'm gonna work on this half. Same thing. Grab a little dab, and then you're gonna start with the ends, and then work up. Okay, next I'm gonna take down my section that I divided. I'm gonna start in the back and work in the front. So again, soaking the ends, working up. Okay, so for the front section, I like to frame my face. So what I do is I take this front piece here, maybe a little bit more, like that. I do a lot more in the front. Okay, so soak the ends. And go all the way. Almost to the root for this one, because I'm framing my face with the highlight. I think it looks so pretty that way. Get it all the way in there. And that'll frame out the face. This is the only time I go up this high with the solution. Don't want to get in your eyes, just make sure your hair is back farther. Kind of crown around my hair with the rest. Finish this side before. This is where the towel comes in handy. All right, now that the bleach has been on my hair for about 15 minutes, I'm gonna go rinse it off with the shampoo and conditioner packet that they gave, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I washed it with the shampoo and conditioner, I dried it with a towel, and now I'm just letting it air dry. I did save the bleach in case there are any spots that I missed or I wanna go a little bit lighter. That's what I use this for. So I hold on to that till the very, very end. I'm gonna let my hair continue to air dry. I really like how it turned out. You can already see the difference it made right here and my end. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm gonna let it continue air dry. I'm gonna give it a quick little style. I'll show you guys the final results here in just a minute. All right, you guys, this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. As you can see, it's a very soft, subtle, sun-kissed look. I am telling you, it is the easiest thing to do for $6.99 from Target. I'm gonna link it below so you find out exactly where to buy it. And if you guys wanna see how I did these curls, I'm gonna link that video down below as well. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. Please like this, give it a thumbs up, and if you subscribe to my channel, you'll be notified every single time I do a DIY video. Bye.